What's up, baddies? Welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what I'm going to be unboxing, stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next videos, okay? Period. We're going to actually unboxing my first ever GLOSSYBOX subscription box. So let's get into it, and I waited to open it with y'all. Look, see, we about to open it together. I mean, I don't think that's how you open it. Oh my god. Okay, so I just opened it, so let's get into this. So it came in another box. Now let's see if we got another box. Okay, so this August is actually GLOSSYBOX's 10th birthday, so this is their birthday celebration box. Okay, let's see what's inside. Hey Glossies, it's our 10th birthday and we're thrilled to celebrate with you. We love all things pretty and pink, so we're bringing you this extra special box this month to get you party ready. Get ready to dance the night away with the amazing products in your August GLOSSYBOX. I love that it shows like what's all in the box and the price point. That's really helpful. They have tissue paper wrapped with a bow. So if you haven't heard about GLOSSYBOX, they're a monthly subscription box that you can sign up for, and in each box you get 5 beauty products, which can be like makeup, nail care, skincare, hair care. I feel like I'm missing something. And you can also subscribe like monthly, like for 1 month, up to for 3 months, 6 months, and even 12 months. Those are their subscription options, and this is a good way to get into different beauty products that you would not think to get into, if you know what I'm saying. Like some things you would never buy to try out, but you get it in your box, you try it out, and you love it. It's a new relationship, okay? It's a new match made in heaven. So that's basically what I love about these subscription boxes. It just helps you get out into the beauty world more. Okay, so the first thing that I have is this Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And this is a deluxe mini. It says a good cleanser is the first step to having healthy glowing skin. This effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask hydrates the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. And this is the deluxe mini. It's worth up to $10. Okay, so that's the first thing we got in this month's GLOSSYBOX. Ooh, and I've been seeing this around. This is exciting. Let me get her straightened out for y'all. So the next thing I have is this Hask Hair Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. It says that this is infused with hydrolyzed keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity. This conditioner gently smooths and detangles, leaving even the most unruly hair soft and revitalized with incredible shine. Perfect for a hot, humid August air. Perfect. And this packet size is worth $2.99. Ooh, this is really exciting. Okay, so next we have this Invisibobble. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Okay, so next we have this Invisibobble Slim hair tie thingy. I'm pretty sure it's a hair tie. And it says the slim, elegant sister to the original Invisibobble is the perfect foundation for a party updo. This ponytail holder makes for an easy, cute, and safe way to tie and style your hair. And it says that this is worth $8. So next we have this Cab Cosmetics lip oil, and this is in the scent Juicy Melon. It says that it's a non-sticky lip oil that will give your lips an instant burst of hydration with a subtly pigmented shine. Its large doe foot applicator makes it super easy to use too, and this retails for $20. It's a pretty big lip oil. Okay, it's giving Makeup Revolution concealer. Yes. Okay, and then last but not least we have the Cetaphil Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion, and it says this is for dry and dehydrated skin. It's a nourishing lightweight formula that intensely replenishes the skin's hydration for 48 hours. This is the full-size product, and this retails for $9.99. And in my opinion, you can never have too many body products. Like, self-care is key. So that's that, and it says this is $10 as well. So it has 6 items on this info page, but I only have 5 in the packet. I don't know. So that's all the stuff that we received from the GLOSSYBOX, and I think that this is wrong because if I add this up, it's not going to be correct. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that the other product should be in the box, but I guess they forgot it, which kind of sucks because I'm kind of showing y'all this as my first GLOSSYBOX. So the total of my box is about $31, but I don't think that's correct because this info page also includes the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's a deluxe mini, and it says that the deluxe mini is worth $45, but it's not in here, which is sad because I would have loved to try out that Elemis. So I'm really excited about a lot of the goodies that I got in this month's GLOSSYBOX. I can't wait to see what's gonna be for next month, and I think that that is another great thing about the subscription boxes. You just never know, so it's like Christmas every month, you know what I'm saying? So baddies, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, let me know down below. Make sure you like this video because that really helps me out, and until next time, baddies, bye.
You see money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?